Credit cards are everywhere. They offer convenience, rewards, even cashback. But behind that shiny plastic lies a system designed to keep you spending and stuck in debt. Today, we're diving into the dark side of credit cards, how banks profit from your habits, how interest traps you, and why millions fall into the cycle. Let's be clear. Credit card companies want you to carry a balance. That's where the profit is. There are three major ways they make money. Interest on balances, up to 20% or more. Fees, late fees, annual fees, balance transfer fees, merchant fees. Every time you swipe, the business pays a cut. In 2022 alone, credit card companies earned over $130 billion in interest and fees. The more you carry a balance, the more they win. But there's more. They also make money by selling your data. Your spending habits are incredibly valuable to advertisers, and credit companies know exactly where your money goes. They've also pushed consumers into more debt by raising credit limits without much oversight. That extra room to spend, it's not for your benefit. It's for theirs. Credit cards mess with our brains. Studies show people spend more with credit cards than with cash. Why? Because it doesn't feel like you're spending real money. That disconnect leads to impulse buying, add rewards and cashback points, and your brain sees spending as a game. This isn't an accident. It's designed that way. Companies hire behavioral scientists to tweak how you view money, encouraging you to spend now, worry later. Even the design of credit card statements and mobile banking apps plays a role. They often hide or downplay your true financial situation, so you're less likely to stop spending. The average American household with credit card debt owes over $6,000. Here's how the trap works. You miss one payment, interest kicks in. Your minimum payment barely touches the principal. You use another card to cover expenses. Suddenly, you're juggling balances, trapped in a cycle. You think you're managing it, but you're just treading water. Credit card companies know this. They bank on it. In fact, many of them segment customers by profitability, targeting those most likely to stay in debt but continue paying. Worse still, once you're in debt, your credit score drops, leading to higher interest rates, insurance premiums, and even trouble getting a job or apartment. Debt doesn't just hurt your wallet, it can impact your entire life. Have you ever tried reading your credit card terms? They're long, complicated, and full of gotchas. 0% intro rates that spike after a few months. Penalty APRs that jump if you're late once. Deferred interest that builds silently in the background. These tricks are legal, but confusing. They're meant to trap you into paying more. Also, look out for universal default clauses. If you're late on any unrelated bill, your credit card APR could skyrocket. Even rewards programs have fine print. Some have expiration dates, blackouts, or minimum thresholds before redemption. They're designed to keep you spending, not saving. Credit card debt isn't just a personal issue, it's a societal one. Young adults are targeted aggressively. College campuses used to be filled with credit card reps handing out t-shirts and pizzas for signing up. Laws have changed, but digital ads now fill that gap. Low-income families, who often rely on credit to survive, are hit the hardest. They're more likely to carry a balance, get hit with late fees, and fall into collections. And because debt follows people for years, it contributes to wealth inequality, stress-related health issues, and mental illness. So how do you fight back? Pay more than the minimum each month, track your spending, and set realistic budgets. Use cash or debit to avoid overspending. Look into balance transfer offers or low-interest consolidation loans. Call your credit card company and negotiate a lower APR. There are also nonprofit credit counselors who can help create a plan. You don't have to face debt alone. Getting out of the debt spiral takes time, but it's possible. Thousands have done it, and so can you. Credit cards aren't evil, but the way they're designed puts profits before people. Understand the system, take control, and don't fall for the trap. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share. More eye-opening financial breakdowns are on the way. This is Biztales, bringing the hidden side of money and business to life.